In this video, I will show you how to close M1 Finance account. So before you start closing your account, first you may have to make sure that you sell all the investment from your portfolio. So just sell all of your investment that you have in your M1 Finance account and then sell that. And once the investment has been sold, you can withdraw that fund to your another account, or you can get it as a cash, because once you close your account you will not have access to your investment. So it's better to just withdraw your investment before closing the account. And the next thing is to do is just disable all the recurring deposits that are currently in M1 Finance, so that money will not added in future while your account in the process of closing. So to close your M1 account, what you need to do is just come to the official website of M1 Finance and then simply scroll down till you see a section of this contact us. So simply click on that, and then on this window simply ask tell the M1 team that you want to close your account, and once you do that they will close your account. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.